Hi friends, welcome back everyone to our live trading campaign, and this is nothing but the trend analysis which we are doing for 60 days, and we are observing how the trade is going on, how we control our emotions, how we trade with discipline, how do we do perfect money management. So all these are part of this our 60 days campaign, and the quote for today is successful traders have a rock solid discipline. They plan every one of their trades and then they simply trade their plans. Sorry, they plan every one of their trades and then they simply trade their plan. So this is what you have been observing, what I am doing from past almost 30 days, and you can see that my discipline is rock solid, my money management is rock solid, no alterations, no deviation. In case of losses also there is nothing diversion, and this is what I'm educating to all of you, hand holding, guiding you, taking you through this journey so that you also come to the same track along with me. You also learn all these kind of qualities, friends. Until unless you don't learn this discipline, you will never become successful in stock market trading and you will never make money in stock market trading. Okay, so let us observe today's live trading video. This is nothing but day before yesterday when we traded. It was Infi, it was Infosys, and then there was no movement at around 12:49. You can see we waited till 12:49, but there was no movement. That is the reason we decided to go for a ranging market. So you can see that we are not doing the breakouts, we are doing the break-ins because the market is ranging. So this is what we will be identifying in our trend analysis, whether the market is in a trending phase or if the market is in a ranging phase. This will be the difficulty, nothing else. Okay, so as usual I am placing my target of 0.6% and stop loss of 0.4%, and loss is nothing but, sorry, quantity is nothing but loss divided by stop loss. So you can see that both the orders has been placed, and when one of the order gets triggered, other one we have to just cancel it, like how I've shown you. Around 1:30 it has happened. So after this, coming back to our portfolio, as you saw the market was ranging, so we were not able to reach our targets. So we waited till 2:30, 3:30, and then we saw at around 3:30 we ended up with 512 rupees. And loss or profit, not a problem, we have to quickly update into our Excel sheet. And day number 30 we have made money in Infosys, and you can see that we almost reached 16,000 rupees, and back to back 4 days of profit. Accuracy levels are very good, not bad enough, but accuracy does not matter at all. As you have seen, my discipline is rock solid, my losses is not going more than 1,000 rupees, it's an average of 1,000 rupees. And this is the secret, nothing else to be done in stock market, nothing big headaches. You have seen that I have not panicked, not done anything. Simple, you saw 2 minutes, 3 minutes I took time to place my trade, nothing else. Okay, so friends, just want to give an update about my training. We started options trading tactics. It's a training program of 6 months in options, where I'm not concentrating only on teaching on the strategy. I'll be handholding and guiding you with the adjustments to be done, because adjustments is something which is not taught anywhere in YouTube or in Google or anything wherever you see. So this is the reason there is a lot of inquiries and recommendations, and many are asking to teach with the adjustments. So I am sticking to one basic strategy which is known for everyone. Little modification, my own style of modification, but the most important part is adjustment. And one more most important part is that profits. We are this month also consecutively in 4 months since we started, we are in profits, and this month also once again we are in profit. And I'm not saying that you will be earning 100%, 200% returns. We are targeting a decent returns of 5 to 6% or maximum 10%. After that we can close our trades. Okay, so this month almost everyone have closed their trades, and because you already crossed 6% profits. And in case if you want to learn this option trading tactics, it's not a strategy, it's a tactics, then please do WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Thank you and have a nice day.